organization na nagbigay ng recognition sa ganitong klase ng platform?
Oo, natutuwa ako dahil marami ng mga films and series sa digital platform lang natin napapanood, hindi ba? And so, nakakataba ng puso at actually, logical din naman talaga na magkaroon na rin ng category, acting category sa digital platform, hindi ba? And so, nagpapasalamat ako dahil ito yata ang aking first ever acting award, parang in digital content. And so, maraming salamat again from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumubaybay at nanood ng Kontrabida Academy on Netflix.
So, tapos nakita namin yung post mo regarding yung sa takbo ng Baksan Academy.
Yes, kahapon. Right.
So, talagang running era mo ngayon. Hindi man ka madalas, tapos marami nakakapon.
Yes, oo, kahapon. Matagal ng plano ni Rita talaga na samahan na pagtumakbo. And so yesterday, finally natuloy din. Tsaka, first time din mag-Ayala Run ng aking mga ka-breathless na kaibigan si Carol and Kevin. So, sobrang saya nung run namin kahapon. Actually, mas nilook forward namin yung heavy breakfast. Ay, box man. Box na lang. Actually, I don't really, hindi naman siya kasing bigat ng advocacy, ganyan. Hindi mo siya advocacy. It's more of, parang, yes, trying to give some inspiration to those people na nagbabalak tumakbo. Na parang, syempre lahat naman tayo, nasisimula tayo, beginners, diba? Wala namang magagaling agad, mabibilis agad. So, all you have to do is start. All you have to do is begin, enjoy the process, enjoy yung journey mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan bilisan agad. Tignan mo nga kami, di ba? Ang saya-saya namin. And ang saya na simula ng taon na maganda yung lifestyle mo, maganda yung outlook sa buhay, di ba? With all the negativity that's been happening both online and in the real world. So, maganda na you surround yourself with people na very positive at magaganda yung lifestyle, maganda yung outlook sa buhay. Yes, yes, I do. Yes, may bago po akong pelikula, Until She Remembers. Napakagandang pelikula po nito. Very heartfelt and powerhouse cast. Miss Sharo Santos, Miss Anson Roa, Mr. Albert Martinez, and Miss Angel Aquino, directed by the one and only Brillante Mendoza. Showing in cinemas February 25, 2026.